Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that is kind of, a double of what already exists is in the Windows Security app. So Windows Security app already has categories, and you can go into categories and, see what you're going to change, whatever you want to do. But if you look into Windows settings, you'll notice that in the privacy and security, the first at the top is Windows Security. Now, if it was just a, little detail that just says, well, it's working fine, I could be, well, okay. It's another way, another place where you can just verify it's okay. But actually, what it does is it brings you the same categories that the Windows Security app has. So virus and threat protection, account protection, and so on, which is exactly what you've got here. So in fact, when you click one of those, it brings you to the Windows Security app. So in fact, they're already in the Windows Security app. Why are they also in the Windows settings as the Windows Security app on its own? It's a nonsense, but that's the way it is, Power. Sometimes, I would, I'm okay with like being somewhere. So if it be only in the settings and it brings up the security app, the Windows Security app when you click a setting, okay. But these are some of the little inconsistencies we often talk about in Windows where, there's duplicates, there's things that have no sense. And that's one of them. It's like, yeah, okay, that you have a Windows Security tab, okay, but it could just say, well, everything's fine, not necessarily bring you to the settings if you, I don't know, or at least when you click here, rather than opening a settings app page that brings you to the Windows Security app, at least bring you directly to the security app so you can see that everything's fine. That would be a better option, I think. So this is a funny one. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.